How to fix incoming call not showing on display in Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your phone application and then go to its app info. Now go to notifications and make sure you have enabled this notification. And also in this alert section, make sure you have selected allow sound and vibration. Go to notification categories and then toggle this both missed calls and voicemails on. Now go back and then go to settings. After that, go to sounds and vibration. Make sure it is in sound mode. Now go back again, go to notifications and then go to app notification. Make sure your phone notification is toggled on and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.